Lucy Show. Starring Lucille Ball. Co-starring Gail Gordon.
Mooney's office. No, he just stepped out for a few moments. I don't know where he is. No, well, could I take a message? He ought to be back in a few minutes. Uh-huh. Well, okay. Oh, Mr. Mooney, I didn't see you come back in.
Well, now you can pretend that you didn't see me go back out either.
Oh, leaving before quitting time? Shame on Mr. Mooney. Shame on Mr. Mooney.
Hey, knock it off, Mrs. Carmichael. Since you came to work here, I can't get away with a thing.
No, I wouldn't snitch on you. Where are you going?
None of your business.
Why can't you tell me where you're going?
Because it's my little hideaway. An oasis away from home. Just 2 hours on the freeway, and there it is. Remote, secluded, spectacular, and smog-free.
Well, your own little hideaway. Mm-hmm. What's the name of the place?
That is top secret.
Well, if anything important comes up, I can always find out where you are from your wife.
No, you can't, because that's who I'm hiding away from.
Mr. Mooney's office. Oh, hi, Mary Jane. No, I can talk. Captain Bligh just left. What? Oh, I can leave any time now. You know the old saying, when the cat's away, the mice quit early. Yeah, see you later. What? Turn that thing off. I can't hear anything. Now, what do you want?
I was told to pick up the Wilcox escrow papers and be sure they were signed by Mr. Mooney.
Wilcox escrow papers. Oh, yeah, here they are. Oh, good heavens. Mr. Mooney forgot to sign them.
Oh, boy, is he in a jam.
Not half as much as I am. I forgot to give them to him. Maybe I can catch him.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
I just saw him drive out the parking lot.
Oh, dear.
Where was he going?
I don't know. He wouldn't tell me. All I know is that it's someplace just 2 hours on the freeway.
Here's a newspaper. Let's check the resort section.
That's a good idea. Wouldn't be in this first part, would it? Help wanted. I better save that. I might need them. Here it is. Here's some. Now, this is the Tyrol room, the Roundup. No, that's right over here. That's Spanish Hacienda, Lazy Days. Oh, here's one. Only 2 hours from town. Fun and frolic in nature's wonderland. Enjoy golf, tennis, and horseback riding. Shady Nook Nudist Colony.
You think he went to a nudist colony?
Oh, not Mr. Mooney. He used to blush when he watched Naked City. See, now, we gotta find something that's just 2 hours from town.
Well, I'd love to stay and help you, but I got work to do.
Okay.
Just 2 hours from town on the freeway.
Hold it.
An oasis away from home. It's the Tumbleweed Inn at Indian Rock. Remote, secluded, and smog-free.
Those are the exact words Mr. Mooney used.
Get a pen and write down the address.
Okay. Indian Weed Inn in Tumble Rock.
Remember, folks, it's not to be confused with the Indian Weed Inn in Tumble Rock. This is the Tumbleweed Inn in Indian Rock.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome at the Tumbleweed Inn anytime.
The social director here. If you plan to stay, just put your X right there.
Oh, no. I'm just looking for Mr. Mooney.
Mooney?
Mr.
Mooney.
Theodore J. Mooney. He's kind of stocky and dark, has a mustache, and never smiles, stern and dignified.
Oh, you mean Hopalong.
Dog.
Yeah, he just checked in. He should be moseying around here someplace. There he is now. Hello, Hoppy.
Oh, Mr. Mooney.
How did you find me?
Well, now, Mr. Mooney, I just moseyed in off the freeway.
Mrs. Carmichael, where you're concerned, the word is nosy, not mosey.
You don't understand. I had to find you. You left the bank without signing the Wilcox papers.
Good heavens, the Wilcox papers?
Yes, and they're very important.
Oh, well, of course, a slip-up like that could cost me my job.
I know.
Yeah, well, give me the papers.
I
I'll
have
sign them. Okay. Have you got a pen?
Yes, I have everything.
Yes.
Here,
Thank you.
everything but the papers.
Don't tell me you left them at the bank.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I was in such a hurry, Mr. Mooney. I must have left them on my desk.
But they have to be out tonight.
I know. I'll call Herbie.
Yeah.
I'll have him bring them out here.
All right, that's right. That'll take a couple of hours.
Yeah, but...
I have a spirited Mustang outside. I might hit the trail.
Okay.
And you stay here and get those papers to me just as soon as you can.
Oh, you know I will.
Oh, I know
You know I will.
Oh,
Terribly sorry.
Here, where are you two varmints going?
Don't worry, we'll be back in plenty of time, Mr. Critter.
Come back here.
We just wanted to check out our oil well again.
Aye, doggies, you two young braves have been messing around with that oil well all summer. You ain't found enough oil in it to wet a dipstick.
Tex, if it comes in, it'll pay our way through college. And we sure don't make enough around here for that.
Never mind that. All right, go ahead. But be sure and be back in time for the ceremonial dance.
Honest Injun will be there on time, in full costume, in war paint, the whole bit.
Hey, wait a minute. By the way, why don't you do something different than the war dance?
Why? The tourists always enjoy the war dance.
Well, how come you never do the rain dance?
Are you kidding? We can't do the rain dance. That's sacred to our tribe. That's one tradition they won't let us fool around with. As my father says, Nakawa waki shashani tekiabaki.
Well, what does that mean?
Beats me. I never did dig that language.
Now, look, there's one thing I don't understand. Your father is the chief, and your father is the medicine man. How come two sharp college kids like you can't talk them into changing their customs?
Tex, you know how the old boys are. They're orthodox.
Yeah, well, all right. I don't want you to come around the hotel looking like this. When you're around the guests, I want you to look like Indians and talk like Indians.
We understand. We got to keep 'em public image.
Ugh!
Let's go, Dick.
All right. Come on, you nature lovers. Time for the hike. Move out now. Say, what about you, little maverick? Ain't you come along with old Uncle Tex?
Well, no, thanks. I'm waiting for some very important papers. They're coming out by messenger.
Oh, well, now that's too bad, because you're going to miss all the fun.
Well, thanks, anyway.
All right. Get 'em up and move 'em out! All right, there. On the hike, all of you. Let's go. Rusty day. All right. Get 'em up and move 'em out. On you now. Don't straggle, the wolves will cut you out of the herd. That's it. Come along here now. Now circle up here for a minute. I got a little story to tell you. That's it. Come around, gather around here. That's right. Hunker down and be comfy. Now, this is a Joshua tree, and there's a real romantic story behind it. You know all about the birds and the bees. Well, this is a love triangle between two Joshua trees and a little bee called the Joshua Tree Bee. See, the Joshua trees depend on this little bee to carry the pollen from one to the other. You know, it makes me feel poetic. Where would the Joshua tree be without the Joshua tree bee? Well, let's move along here. Now, wait a minute. You want to look out for souvenirs here. This place is loaded with Indians around here, and if you keep a sharp eye out, you might find some old arrowheads or other bits of remnants of the tribe.
Are there still Indians around here?
Oh, yeah, quite a few.
Well, are they hostile?
No, they're Cheyenne. Get them up and move them out! Well, howdy there, little lady. Decided to join us after all, huh?
No, I'm just looking for my boss. I finally got those papers that he's supposed to sign. Have you seen Mr. Mooney?
Mooney.
Hop along.
Oh, Hoppy. He went that way. Get him up and move him
Stop! Sons too busy to join fathers?
No, Father. It's just that Vince and I were going to go over...
My son not named Vince. Him named Wolf with nose like anteater. Do you know stay too?
No, my father. You see, I was going over the oil well with Dick, and then...
My son not named Dick. Call him by Indian name.
Sorry. I was going over to the oil well with Running Bear, who smelled like skunk.
You waste much time on white man's ways.
Well, we're the younger generation.
Younger generation, phooey.
May the Great Spirit forgive us for sending our sons to college.
Father, I'm following your footsteps. I'm going to college to study medicine.
Me no need college to be medicine man, and me know many things.
What you learn in white man's medicine college?
We're studying to be psychiatrists.
Oh, psychiatrist. What's a psychiatrist?
No. What psychiatrist?
Well, it's sort of a head shrinker.
Oh, that good. Me any fucking you know hunt down here through a window.
What did he say? What did he say?
He said head shrinkers run in the family. Come on, let's go. Bye, Dad.
So long, Pop.
Oh, there go my son, the head shrinker.
Come, we dance some more.
No, dance no good. No sign from rain goddess, and my feet, they kill me.
Well, then me practice with tomahawk. And chase all evil spirits.
No hurt me. Me good friend of Indian. Me always root for Indian to win on Late Show. Me love Indian. Me hate John Wayne.
What you want, white squaw with fire in hair?
Well, me lost. How do I get 'em back to pale-faced big wigwam with many room?
Oh, the hotel. Where you just follow the shadow of the flying arrow. And you come to grave of all water. Follow grave of all water. Follow grave of all water. Oh, rest.
Why do I rest?
My feet are killing me. You go on. Follow grave of all water. You come to Topless Mountain. Turn left to left ear. Follow nose. Go. You go now.
Oh, me go now.
You no go.
Why, he say I yes go.
Yes. Why you say she no go?
Yeah, why you say I no go?
She rain goddess.
Huh? You crazy. You know rain goddess. You drinking fire water again?
She rain goddess. You look again with closer eye.
I look good. Holy smoke signal. She rain goddess, all right.
Many moons we wait for Rain Goddess, and now she comes.
Look, fellas, this is all a big mistake. I am no rain goddess.
Oh, you, yes, rain goddess.
You got me mixed up with somebody else. I'm no rain goddess. I even have trouble turning on my shower.
No mixed up, no mixed up. You rain goddess, all right. Look, look.
Holy smoke signal. Hey, rain goddess.
You do rain dance to bring rain.
Rain dance? Bring rain? Okay.
Wait! First we have ceremonial feast. Then you do dance.
Oh, okay. Hold the rain.
Prepare rain goddess for dance. And we get 'em ready, the big feast. Swifty girl! Swifty girl! You hunt fresh game for big feast. Go! Wait! Wait! Oh, he forget arrows again! Younger generation, fooey! Bring on ring goddess! You sit in place of honor, ring goddess.
Fellas, I keep telling you, you're making a big mistake.
Down!
Yes, sir.
Now you eat 'em. Ceremonial feast. Eat!
What is this?
Raw fish.
Raw fish. What are you eating?
Chop liver.
Chopped liver?
Buffalo liver. Eat.
Hammy.
You eat good.
I eat no good.
Now me smoke 'em pipe.
Oh, that's a pretty pipe, Chief. Did you make it yourself?
No. Me get 'em for Father's Day. Now you smoke 'em pipe.
No, thanks. I don't indulge.
Smoke 'em.
Oh, boy. Oh, is that strong? What kind of tobacco is this?
No tobacco. Raw fish. Smoke 'em. Oh, you real rain goddess. Your face turn all color like rainbow. Here, drink, drink.
Oh, what's this? Don't tell me. Juice of raw fish.
You good guesser. Now you rise. You rise, rain goddess, and you do dance. You dance and bring rain.
But, I can't dance. There's no music. I can't dance without music. Look, do you know stormy weather? No. How about April showers? Singing in the rain? Oh, it goes like this. I'm singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again.
Stop the music! We know wait 50 years for singer.
I'll be able to bring any rain right now. There's an awful lot of evil spirits around.
Medicine man, you get rid of all evil spirits.
I tried.
Try schmy. Do it. Look, his evil spirit. Use the medicine man.
So I missed one.
Evil spirit. Evil spirit. Oh.
Hi, Mr. Mooney.
Mrs. Carmichael? What are you doing here? I've been looking all over for you. What is the meaning of that get-up?
I'm a rain goddess.
What? You a rain goddess? If you're a rain goddess, I'm an evil spirit.
Yeah, well, now you're getting the idea.
Oh, now you must be kidding. Oh, my. You a rain goddess?
Yeah, that's what they think. And they want me to dance and make it rain.
Oh, let's get out of here.
Tie up, evil spirit! Tie up, evil
Oh,
spirit!
wait, now, wait. Hey, fellas. Hey, look, aren't we a little old to be playing cowboys and Indians? I mean,
Don't play 'em games.
Oh?
You evil spirit.
Oh.
She rain goddess.
If rain goddess no bring rain, bad things happen to both of you.
Bad things? What kind of bad things?
We burn 'em you at stake. Her head we chop off. Chop, chop, chop.
I'll trade you my chop for your steak.
Mrs. Carmichael, this is no time for jokes. Now, do something about that rain dance.
I don't know how to make it rain. I don't know how to do a rain dance.
Well, try. Think wet.
You dance! You dance!
Thinking wet enough.
It's no rain! It's no rain! You dance! Dance!
No, I didn't, but I think you stripped your gear.
It's no rain!